Tessa, the girl on a bike, and today we are inside our camper van. I am here to give you a little bit of a tour. It's not going to take long because it's just a camper van. It's a Mercedes Viano 3.5 litre V6, 260 brake horsepower. Yeah, it's fun to drive as well. It's got a full bed, camper conversion. We bought it 8 years ago and have done more nights in it than I can possibly remember. So this is our little mobile home. I'll show you around. Okay, first up we have the kitchen area. This is a window. We have blackout curtains so that we sleep beautifully. Underneath here we've got a little sink. We've got a pump that goes to the leisure battery so that we have running water, and then we have a double gas hob and of course our kettle. If you're designing a camper van, making sure that you can get to turning the gas on and the tea cupboard whilst the bed of the van is out, because tea in bed in a camper van, that's a must. We have a little table. This table is completely removable, so you just slide up the leg and it folds under and pops off, which means if we don't want the table, we can have lots of space inside the van instead. Up to the front of the van we have a captain seat, so I'll show you how we turn it around. All I'm missing is a gin and tonic. Down here we have our little fridge. This is again running off the leisure battery. So the leisure battery is rigged up so that when the car is running, the engine's going, it is charging up and getting energy, and the fridge will run directly off the car when the car is running. However, as soon as the engine runs off, everything then pulls through to the leisure battery and keeps going, keeping everything cold. We have doors on both sides of the van, which is something that Mercedes have on their vehicle. So we've got this side, and the other side we have the utility room. So this is the back side of the units that we just saw in the van. We've got a water bottle, gas cylinder, we have a little barbecue that tucks down the side so that we can have a barbecue on the road, back of the fridge, and we have electric hookup. So if we're in a camping site, which we very rarely are, normally just wild camp places, but we can hook up and get some electricity, and we have a little electric plug-in heater for when it's really cold in winter, but generally actually year round we can sleep in here with multiple duvets and a hot water bottle, and it's warm and cozy with the two of us. So that is the utility room. Again, beep beep beep, love the Mercedes electric doors. So the back of the van, we can see that we have the back of the bed which folds out. Down here underneath the bed, we don't actually have storage, we have a massive LPG tank, but the LPG basically means running a 3.5 litre V6 is affordable. A couple of camping chairs. That is our pop tent, vandrobe, so when we park up we can just pull this out and it pops up into a tent to put kit in. Down in this corner we have our leisure battery and fuse box electrics. Welcome to the Mercedes cockpit. We have a spinny arm thing. This is was put on when I had my shoulder surgery so that I could still drive with one arm, and we just decided we really like it. Proper truckers. Everything is standard in here really. Mercedes interior, not much to say. Yeah, there's not much excitement going on in here, so let's move on. We have a 1000 watt inverter here. It is awesome to have it in the van. It runs off the car as you go, and you can actually have it on running off the car battery, but it does drain the battery relatively quickly. But it basically means that we can charge our phones on full current, and low voltage items such as, you know, I can charge my laptop or the iPad in the car, cameras, GoPros. I guess we should probably show you the bed as well. So let's work out how to put the camera so that you can see this. Okay, so to get the bed out, I'm gonna pop the table down, and then our bed, we've got a little safety latch to stop it coming out on its own, and then the bed slides out. Ta-da! Like so. And this is a double bed. Well, Okay, it's like a small double bed. It's cozy, but thankfully I quite like my husband. And then in the cupboard up here, we have a double sleeping bag. Yes, double sleeping bags do exist, and they're amazing. And that's the bed. We have decided that we will run the van and have the van as our hotel, bedding, sleeping area, cooking. And then we have our box trailer. I will do a tour of the box trailer at another time. And that's where all the dirty kit, bikes, muddy stuff goes. So this is kind of like the Dream Wheels hotel. That is our Mercedes camper van. I'm Vanessa, the girl on the bike, and thank you so much for watching. If you're new to my channel, please hit subscribe, hit the little bell so that you get notifications, and please check out my other social channels. Thanks for watching.